Now let's make this really pretty rustic hairpin. So we're going to start with our Mini Bowdabra. I have my Bowdabra Bow Wire, folded it in half, and I'm going to lay it down into my Mini Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this as my base. I'm going to put my lace in between, and I'm going to put my mesh on top. So all I do here is I put everything upside down, make sure it's all equal, and I'm just going to put a little mountain up in the middle and just scrunch that down into my Mini Bowdabra. And then I'm going to fold this back. Then I'm going to just fold this underneath here, do my mountain up again, and just scrunch that down into my Mini Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my 2 loops, and they're going to be just a little bit over the sides of my Mini Bowdabra. And I'm going to do my little mountain up here, and again, just scrunch everything into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my wand and just scrunch it all really well down in there. Then I'm going to take this piece of lace, which matches the lace that I used in the middle, and I'm going to just scrunch that down. Then I'm going to take this really pretty floral rose bunch, and now I'm going to take my Bowdabra wire, and remember we folded it in half so we have our slip knot, and I'm just going to pull this through my slip knot. I'm going to hold my bow really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it really tight, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, and I'm going to bring it around to the back. Then I'm going to bring my bobby pin here, just pull this through, and I'm going to tie a knot here. Then I'm going to move it down a little bit more, and I'm going to tie another knot because I want it to be centered. And I'm going to just do one more wrap around it and tie one more knot underneath just for good measure. So tie one more knot here, and that's going to hold it right in place. Actually, now I'm going to tie one more. Going to tie it right in place where we want it. So now your bobby pin is perfectly centered. You have a beautiful, beautiful little bow. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.